Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best M28 earbuds. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. ProMotion's smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best M28 earbuds for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to finding the perfect earbuds, the M28 earbuds stand out as one of the best options available in the market. Whether you're an audiophile or simply someone who enjoys listening to music on the go, the M28 earbuds offer a blend of quality, affordability, and features that make them an excellent choice. Below, we'll dive into why the M28 earbuds are so highly regarded and what makes them worth buying. Number 1. Design and comfort. The M28 earbuds feature a sleek, ergonomic design that ensures a comfortable fit for a wide range of ear sizes. The lightweight construction and soft ear tips provide a snug yet comfortable seal, allowing for hours of listening without discomfort. Whether you're using them for commuting, exercising, or just relaxing at home, these earbuds are designed to stay securely in place. Number 2. Sound quality. Sound quality is one of the key factors to consider when choosing earbuds, and the M28 earbuds do not disappoint. Equipped with high-fidelity drivers, they deliver crisp highs, detailed mids, and a deep, punchy bass. Whether you're listening to your favorite pop hits, podcasts, or immersive movie soundtracks, the audio performance remains balanced and clear. For those who crave rich, dynamic sound, the M28 earbuds provide an exceptional listening experience. Number 3. Battery life. Another standout feature of the M28 earbuds is their impressive battery life. With up to 8 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, they're perfect for long trips or extended listening sessions. Additionally, the compact charging case extends the battery life by providing several additional charges, ensuring that you never run out of power when you need it most. Number 4. Connectivity and features. The M28 earbuds come equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a stable and seamless connection to your devices. Whether you're pairing with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you can expect quick and reliable pairing every time. The earbuds also support touch controls for adjusting volume, skipping tracks, and answering calls, all without needing to reach for your phone. Number 5. Price and value. Considering the features, sound quality, and comfort, the M28 earbuds offer great value for money. They are priced competitively, making them accessible for a variety of budgets. Whether you're a student looking for affordable, high-quality earbuds or a casual listener seeking reliable performance, the M28 earbuds are a smart investment. If you're looking for a pair of high-quality earbuds without breaking the bank, the M28 earbuds should be at the top of your list. With a balance of great sound, comfort, and long-lasting battery life, they provide excellent performance for everyday use. Don't miss out on these well-rounded earbuds that combine affordability with premium features. Thanks for watching the video.